Good morning from laststandbrand.com. There's 9 or 10 gallons of Imperial Kale. Had 2 days of rain. There's about 5 more bushels to pick. Pretty remarkable for the 9th of April. I guess Imperial Kale is a variety that I do recommend for production. Also, after wintering over, it's even milder. Already the mildest kale I know. But do consider this Imperial Kale in your gardens, and remember to take care of it over the winter so you have it very early in the season. Well, that's it from laststandbrand.com.